Alright, so guys, today I'm going to try and set off the biggest nuke in Minecraft. And well, we spawned by a ruined portal. But guys, let me just say this. I did not expect this. This is not scripted. But if you have, tell me in the comments, have you ever seen a ruined portal this beeping big? Alright, so basically trying to build Sar Bomba. I'll just do it. Oh, there's a village here. They'll be my perfect, let's say, guinea pig. Holy crap. What is wrong with this world, guys? 2 villages put together in an oversized ruined portal. A cherry biome right next to it. Oh my gosh, I'm in a beeping explosion. Holy crap. Alright. Oh my gosh. That was insane, guys. If you see anything like that right next to each other, please tell me. Alright, but now that we just freaked out, back to business. All we need is TNT. And a flint still. Steal if you want to be a bum. Look, to give you reference, that is 1 TNT. Nothing much, right? Just that. Well, we're going to be building something so much bigger than that. Let's do it right over here. 9 blocks tall. Would be good. Alright, this Sar Bomba. Alright, so yeah. You know this. Well, boom. Alright, so get the Sar Bomba ready. Alright, this is basically a Sar Bomba combined with landmines. So I'm going to put these all over the map. It's not a map, really. It's something about a nuke. And I'm going to try and crash my game. But this server was insane. I mean, this, world, this seed. I'll try and tell you the seed, guys, but after this, but yeah, it was just insane. Alright, stage 1. Hope it doesn't crash. Oh, that wasn't that bad. Alright, now stage 2. Alright, so now I need to put it down. Putting it down. Now let me just go here. Going up, placing everything around. Placing it. Basically handle yourself in intense situations. But really, could you handle yourself in this? Sorry, forces, but I think you'd like to move out of your territory for this explosion. Bedrock edition? I don't know. The seed's only in Bedrock, though, so. You people who play Java watching this, sorry. It's a Bedrock seed. So boom, level 2. I'll make part 2 later, but I just made this quick video. Apology for not uploading. But yeah. Alright, let's go back to the insane part that you want to see. Where on earth did it go? Please tell me I'm near it. Right here. See this? Double village. I can tell because 2 of these center pieces. Double village. Alright, so let me just take a photo of this. I'll post the photo. So yeah, guys, just thank you for seeing. There's also a cherry biome. There, take the photo. Now, if you want to see the seed, where's the seed game? This is the seed right here. 726-747. 743461231233876. I'll take a photo right here in case you guys want to see it. Yep. Right that. I'll also post this. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. And that was insane. I've never ever seen something like that in Minecraft.